Hello everyone, let's dive into the AKNES 8BitDo Retro 108 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is clearly targeting those who love a retro aesthetic with modern functionality. The FAMI edition, with its color scheme, is a direct nod to classic gaming consoles, and it's a bold design choice that immediately sets it apart. This keyboard offers a full 108-key layout, complete with an integrated numpad, which is great for productivity. Function key shortcuts are also included, adding to its versatility. The inclusion of dual super buttons is an interesting feature. These programmable keys can be assigned macros or remapped functions without needing to dive into software, which is a huge time saver. You get one set included, but it supports up to 4, expanding the customization options. Connectivity is well covered with Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C wired options. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, from Windows PCs to Android devices. The keyboard is compatible with Windows 10, 1903 or above, and Android 9.0 or above. The AKNES 8BitDo Retro features a hot swappable PCB, allowing you to easily change out the Kale box switch V2 white switches without soldering. This is a fantastic feature for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect feel. The keycaps are made of disublimation PBT in an MDA-like height, which should provide a comfortable and durable typing experience. It also supports N-key rollover. The inclusion of a volume knob is a welcome addition, providing quick and easy audio control. The top mount design and classic power status LED add to the overall retro feel, while the independent control panel offers convenient access to various functions. The Ultimate Software V2 allows for even deeper customization. You can effortlessly program keys, switch mappings on the fly, and create advanced macros. Powering the keyboard is a 2000 mAh rechargeable Li-ion battery, which AKNES claims can provide up to 200 hours of use on a 4-hour charge. AKNES emphasizes their customer support, stating they're always available to assist with any issues.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.